I get locked up. They won't let me out. They won't let me My nigga, I'm locked up.
Hello, Dr. Nandipha Magudumana was arrested in Tanzania alongside with Thabo Bester after they fled South Africa following Thabo Bester's escape from Mangaung Correctional Center. She faces 38 charges including fraud, corruption, money laundering, assisting an inmate to escape, a violation of cops, and defeating the ends of justice. The National Prosecuting Authority welcomed the SCA's decision and is preparing for the upcoming trial scheduled from the 12th of July 2025 to September the 19th of 2025 at the Free State High Court in Bloemfontein. The NPA emphasized its commitment to ensuring that justice is served and given the serious nature of the alleged crimes. While Dr. Nandipha Magudumana's legal team has not yet indicated whether they will appeal to the Constitutional Court, the NPA has stated that it is ready to oppose any further legal challenges. On the 16th of May 2025, the Supreme Court appeal dismissed her appeal to have her arrest and deportation from Tanzania declared unlawful. The court found that she had consented to her return to South Africa despite her claims of abduction by the police.
We would have to consider strongly that we pursue the matter to the Constitutional Court. We remain resolute and we remain confident that we have a meritorious case. Our argument is centered around whether one can consent to an illegality. That is the crux and the crisp question that has to be answered. And in our view is that there is no way that she could have even been considered to have consented and worse to an illegality. So that's a legal question, a very crisp legal question that needs to be properly